Hi guys, today our topic also I want to unboxing this Qiaodan's running shoes, okay? Qiaodan Fei PB4.0 running shoes, okay? So I'm gonna open it first. Okay, PB4.0, I think got a damage bit, okay, but it's okay. Overall, it's okay. Then it's in the box. Okay. Okay. So I bought this color. Okay. So okay. This is the spec, okay, the size. Okay. So then you need to review this box and then take a look inside. Okay. Okay. Okay, nothing already inside. So you stay suitless. Okay. So I think we review this one, okay? Take a look this one. Qiaodan Q Arch brand, okay? This one, the technology of Qiaodan shoes. Okay. So this shoes. Okay, nice. Okay. You take a look this. You see this tie? Oh, got like this wave one. Oh, nice. Then take a look. Oh, pretty, see? Oh, it's grip. And then look this. This is the technology Okay, tan QH then this is the technology okay. Oh, nice. This brown color look nice. So I like it. And then this one, okay, the same okay. Okay. Okay guys, that's all for today So thank you for watching Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you then. Bye.